Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool thing here, and principally what this is a Wi-Fi 6 range extender. If you can see, for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for this part in particular they call the AX3000 dual band, and right here in the bottom they do probably got some specs and features on the product. So they mentioned how it is a Wi-Fi dead zone killer, wider channel width, give you guys the option to connect even more devices, give you guys uninterrupted streaming option and easy setup within a few minutes. And on the side right here, they also provide more specs that's on here as well. And this side, they also provide more specs. So when you guys do use the product, they do have the option for you guys to connect it on the app, which I'll show you guys in a second. But if you guys seen my previous video, I actually viewed a few other ones from this brand before in terms of the AC1900. If you guys don't remember, it's pretty much this one right here. And I'm currently using this one right now and it's been working super well. So I'm very excited to try this one out and see how it does work. Especially because when you guys look at the back part here, it shows you guys how good of a coverage you guys can get. So your router will be right here and extended throughout your house from first floor, second floor, and third floor as well. But one right now is open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys do take it out, inside right here, they do provide guys some user manual to teach you guys how to use it. So if you guys never done one of these before, feel free to look at instruction manual to see how to do it. But I'll kind of show you guys in this video as well. But right underneath that, we do have the actual product. So let's do take it out. This is what the product looks like in the back. So you do have to plug it in to actually activate it. And it doesn't seem like they provide you guys any Ethernet cable for this one. So I think you guys just get the actual product. Yeah, so I don't think you guys get any Ethernet cable for this one. But in the front part right here, this is what it looks like. So this part right here is the signal option for you guys to turn. So feel free to bring it up. That way you get a better signal if you guys do want to. And the side right here, they do have an indicator light to show you guys what's on and what's not working. So the power button, the Wi-Fi option, 2.4G or 5G. And we do have the brand name on top. And supposedly for this product, it does have a one mesh option on top of the Wi-Fi 6 option, which is really cool. That we can give you guys the high speed from your router or whatever. On the side right here, we do have the Ethernet port for you to use. And we do have a reset button and a lock option here. So the lock option here is the WPS for you guys to connect it on your device when you guys do connect it. And the size of this product, if you can see, is slightly bigger than the other one that I do have in terms of the AC1900. And because for this one, it does have the Wi-Fi 6. I don't think that one has the Wi-Fi 6 for the old one, but let me actually double check. Yeah, so for the AC1900, I don't think that one had the Wi-Fi 6 option, but it did have the one mesh option. So for this one actually has both of them in here, so it should work a lot better when you guys use it. And they mentioned how it does have a built-in access point mode if you guys want to plug it into your Ethernet option to use it. Like I mentioned, it doesn't seem like they do provide guys any cable inside here, which is kind of strange if they do give you guys that option. I feel like they should give you guys a cable included, but you feel free to use your own. But that's pretty much everything that's on the product. One right now is to plug it in to give it a try and see how it does work when you guys do use it. So literally all you need to do is just feel free to plug this into any kind of wall outlet. Alright, so currently I do have it plugged into my power strip here. You can see how once you guys plug it in, it does light up. So what I'm doing right now is let it kind of load up first, and then we can start connecting on the app. So the app is called Tether, so if you guys don't have it, feel free to download that first. So while that's loading up, let me actually bring the other one over to show you guys what it looks like side by side when you guys do use it. Alright, so right here is the AC1900. So this is the one that I've been using every single day to extend my Wi-Fi further away, because when I walk down like the hallway area, I don't have the Wi-Fi access anymore. So that's why I got one of these to use it. It's been working really well. So this actually looks like in the back for this one. It does have the wall plug outlet for you to use. And it does give you this option right here for you to slide it in and out for the signal option when you guys do use it. And they do have the option for you guys to slide it in or fold back in to save space when you guys are not using it. On the side right here, we do have the Ethernet port for you to use. This side right here, we do have the LD button, power button, and the reset button. And here we do have the WPS option. And here we do have the indicator light. So slightly different design compared to the other one in terms of what it actually looks like when you do use it. But let's put this in here as well and show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys do use it. So before I show you guys how to connect it on the new one, I want to show you guys the one I'm currently using here first. So you can see this is what the app looks like once you guys got it all connected. So I show you guys the main network. It show you guys how many clients are being used in terms of different devices. So currently there's 2 different devices being used. It show you guys 2.4G and 5G when you do use it, which is the same network. So when you guys do use it, it'll extend the network even further away when you guys do use it using the AC1900. And you can feel free to change the password on here, the different setting on here if you guys do need to. And it does show you the status on here in terms of connection, whether or not it's working or not. So currently when we do use it, it definitely does work. You can see how it's connected. So now that we got it connected on there, now I'm gonna show you guys how to connect on the new one. So what you guys want to do is go to my device in the main page and press on the plus on top. And it should bring you guys to this page right here. So I just want to select the range extender option and follow the step on here in terms of how to connect it. So right now the light is solid. You can see how it's solid right there. And here's what it looks like for this one. So once it's solid, you guys want to press this button here. And it tells you guys whether or not you guys want to join the Wi-Fi. So I want to say yes. Once you guys do that, it'll show you guys what to do next. So give it a few seconds to kind of load up, and it should connect it on the Wi-Fi to set everything up in terms of the password and everything else. So right now it's logging in. So right now it's logged in, and it tells you guys to create an account or create a password for the actual Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna use the same Wi-Fi password on here to log in or create the password. So now we got it connected. Give it a few seconds, and it should load up. And the next page right here, it tells you guys which one you guys want to select. So you pretty much want to select the Wi-Fi that you do have. So in this case, I'll use this one. And I want to log in. And it actually got the same thing for the 5G option. So if you guys have the same one, feel free to use the same one for the Wi-Fi password and everything. Otherwise, you can use it separately if you guys do have it separate. In my situation, I do have the same one, so I want to use the same one because it just uses one in terms of login option. So now it's applied the setting on there. So it might take a few seconds, a few minutes to kind of apply the setting on here to start using the extended option. And now I ask you guys to confirm the location when you guys do put in, if it's in a good range or a good area. If it looks good, person looks good, and it's all set. So right now it's logging into the actual account. Might take a few seconds, a few minutes. Once you guys got it all connected, this is what the app looks like. So now you guys are ready to use it wherever you guys do want to put it. So maybe if you guys want to extend it from one room to another or throughout your whole entire house, you do have the option available. And when you guys do look at it right here, you can see how all them lights up. So now it's ready to start using it. And currently I do have it connected on here as well. So that means it's ready to use. So if I do test out the speed on here, let's see how fast it is when we do use it. Alright, so when we do the speed test on here, it works as normal. It doesn't have a fast speed on here because of the plan that I do have. So it does depend on what kind of plan you do have. If you guys do have a faster plan, then probably give you guys more speed. So it doesn't really matter for my situation in terms of how fast the speed I do have. But when you guys do look at the upload speed on here, it's actually pretty fast. So that's actually very nice. I care a lot more about the upload speed because I do upload a lot of videos. You can see how the numbers still going up and down. So definitely the upload speed on here is way faster than normal people in terms of what they do get. So depending if you guys do have like fiber cables or if you guys have regular cable, that is how you know how fast the speed is. For the speed that I got right here is fine. What matters most for me for this product is the fact for the extension option to extend it even further away. So for this one, since it does have the Wi-Fi 6, the one mesh option and everything about the product extends further than the one that I just showed you guys in terms of the AC1900. It works a lot better when you do use that. So now if I were to go upstairs or even just go outdoor, I can still have access outdoor when I do use it. Because if I were to use it inside right here and I would step a little bit further away, I won't have the access without the Wi-Fi range extender, which is really nice. But that is pretty much everything that's on the product. Now that we show you guys what the product looks like and how it does work, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. If you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality Wi-Fi range extender, similar to what you guys get right here, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save very much something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.